Hey everybody, this is Evo Crossover back with another review video, and this is for the CICZ large gaming mousepad, double-sided PU leather, and this is for PC keyboard, you know, mat, the desk mat for the office, accessory, you know the deal. It's a mousepad, but it's a big mousepad. So we're gonna definitely take a look at how big this mousepad is, and then this is in the green color. So we have a green big mouse pad, and this is the packaging. It's definitely long and big here. CIZC, Creative Imagination, Continuous Zest. So let's take a look at this mouse pad and see what we have. This is, I love this green. This green is nice. So this is definitely a long mouse pad, a little bit bigger than what I have here now. Same length, but a little bit wider here. So yeah, that would definitely do if you were gaming. Definitely do if you were gaming. Nice size. Look, and for comparison here, I have a big keyboard, you know, so definitely a lot of room. You know, you still got room for your mouse right here on the side here. Yeah, that will definitely do it. Yeah, so definitely go ahead and check this out. CIZZ extra large mouse pad. This is the green version. They definitely have other colors as you saw in the box here. You know, pink, white, purple, blue, black, green, gray, like a lighter gray, a little lighter gray, and lighter green there. And we'll catch you on the next review.